Okay. Whenever we have a wordy question like this, we can always draw a little picture. It always helps. I probably have to do that all the time. Michelle has 5 times as many dolls as Susie. Susie has 3 more dolls than Carmen. If all together they have 39 dolls, how many dolls does Susie have? So, because it's all about Susie, let's give her that rectangle. So all I'm going to do is draw a picture. This is what's called the bar model method. I think it's really, really good for any sort of wordy question. If you can't get it started, bar model method's a really good way to go. So what do we know? That's how much Susie has. Now we know that Michelle has 5 times as many. So all I've done, here's Susie, there's Michelle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times as many. I haven't worried about how big. I could have made this any size I wanted. I just picked a size. I don't know if this is too small or too big. There's no scale. All I've done is that's Susie. Michelle has 5 times as many. And Susie has 3 more dolls than Carmel. So there's Susie's here. So she has 3 more than Carmel. There's what Susie has, and I've taken away 3. So basically, what I've done there is I've taken away. That's how many dolls Carmel has, and all together, we know they have 39 dolls. So at least now we've got a picture of what is going on. This is what we're trying to find, the size of that. So how could we do that? Well, this is the one annoyance here, this -3. So what we could do, what would happen if we added 3 dolls to Carmel? So all we're going to do is add 3 to Carmel. So if we add 3 to here, this is going to go up by 3 as well. Now the question is suddenly a lot easier, I think, isn't it? Because you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. 7 of those equals the 42 dolls, because when we added 3 to Carmel's, we had to add 3 here as well to get it to 42. So 7 times this equals 42, so that equals 6. Okay. Whenever you've got a wordy question, bar model method, drawing a picture like this, always, always good. Just using rectangles. Thanks.